Hello and welcome to my video today. I have a special guest host. It is Miles from Washington, D.C. He submitted a video to me that covers the process of how to install a hitch on the Fisker Ocean. My Fisker Ocean 1 had the hitch installed from the factory, so it did make sense for me to show a video on it. So he does a great job showing you how to do it, all the steps. So without further ado, let's see how Miles does the hitch installation.
Okay, so to begin, we're going to take 4 bolts from underneath the wheel well here, as well as a 5th and a 6th one underneath here. So let's begin. We're going to start with this one here. And there we go. Okay, got all those. Now we need to pull this We don't have to take this out all the way. We need to take this. Okay. There we go. All right, so underneath there are 4 10mm screws we need to take out. Okay. All right. Now we need to take these 4 smaller ones out. Those are 8mm. These are easy to take out. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so now that those are all out, we can remove this piece here. And there are clips on the inside. There we go. There we go. All right, now for the easy part. We're going to take these off. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on this side and 5 on the other. We're going to take this bar off completely and replace it.
I'm just going to interrupt the video for a minute to show you the difference of what the factory bumper looks like with the hitch installed. If I go to the rear area here, you can see that there is a section where the factory hitch has an opening. This part does come off. And if you noticed on the other cars that do not come with a hitch, here's an example right here. There's actually what look like fins on the bottom of the bumper area. So it is a different insert in the lower bumper. So I'm wondering if it is possible to order this section of the bumper or somehow create something like this, maybe 3D printed, for the people that don't have the factory hitch, that maybe can get inserted if you take out this entire section here, maybe modify it so that it can fit this hitch cover that is removable. So I'm sure there's going to be people working on that sort of a solution. So stay tuned. Maybe that will be an accessory available at some point. And now back to the video. Well, that about wraps up the video for today, but I did want to mention at the very end, the part that he shows several of the connectors in the back of the bumper area. These wiring harnesses are a good idea to weather seal or waterproof. I'm going to be doing a video on that in the near future, covering how to do that for that part of the car. I have previously shown how to do waterproofing of connectors in the front right wheel well, but there's also connectors in the back of the car. Removing the bumper allows easier access to them, so I'll be covering that in a future video. My hat's off to Miles for doing a great video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.